Hello friends, welcome to Learners Forum. Now let us see the basic difference between what is a short circuit and an open circuit, because this concept is very important to understand the various factors. So first let us consider the short circuit. So let us see the definition first. When two points in network are joined directly with the conducting wire, then the two points are said to be short circuited. So for example, if we consider these 2 points A and B, so these points are jointly connected here by a thick metallic wire. So with this condition, this circuit is said to be short circuited. So we have a connection over here, which means there is no resistance here. So the resistance value is 0. Since it is short circuited, we are representing it with RSC, which is equal to 0. We don't have any resistance or any other elements. It is simply shorted, which means there is no resistance here. So RSC value is equal to 0, and from which when we calculate the value of voltage across these points VAB, V is equal to IR is the general formula. Here, since it is short circuited, we can take this R as RSC, and current is taken across the 2 points, so it is I into AB. So here, since this RSC value is 0, on substituting it over here, 0 into the current value IAB will be equal to 0, which means whenever the circuit is short circuited, the voltage across 2 points will be equivalent to 0. So this is the basic condition. Now let us see it for open circuit condition. The definition is whenever there is no connection between 2 points of network, then 2 points are said to be open circuited. So if we consider this circuit, the points A and B does not have any connection, which means it is open circuited. So there will not be any flow of current over here, and the resistance value is infinity here. So because of no connection, the value of ROC, that is open circuited, is represented in this way, which is equal to infinity. So from V is equal to IR, we can calculate the value of I as V by R, and the points of V is taken across AB divided by ROC. Since the value of resistance is infinity over here, substituting in this equation, anything by infinity will be 0, which means whenever 2 points are open circuited, the current flowing across these points will be equivalent to 0. So whenever the circuit is short circuited, the voltage across will be 0, and whenever it is open circuited, the current across the 2 points will be equivalent to 0.